Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize the website on Ecwid for fitness and workout equipment business. Easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to start for free. So you can get started free. So let's get started. Okay, as you see here, it will take you to the dashboard. As you see here, this is the dashboard. Okay, now you're gonna set up your website and storefront. So click here and it will take you to the editor page. So here where you're gonna design and customize your site. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to go to the settings and go to the templates and select the template or the topic you wanna use. So for the sport or for the fitness in the workout equipment, so I'm gonna just select a random topic or a random template of sport. Okay, so okay, I think I'm gonna choose this one here. So if the topic isn't here, you can choose a random one like this and design it on your homepage. So the first thing here you have to change all the header in the menu. So go to the site logo and enter here your company name or your site name. After this, you can manage this navigation menu. So you can change all this menu items. So you can delete this and add another one. Okay. And now let's move on to the design. So in the design of any section on your home page, you have to try your best to make your site looks attractive to anyone can visit your site and attract your business. So make sure don't forget the simple details, like for example the font and like the size and like the color. Okay, and also you can add the frame outline. So these simple details, it's more important to make your site looks attractive. Now let's go back, let's move on to the cover and the headline. As you see here, add the tagline and add your title. So for example, you can type here uh, okay, you can type fitness and the description here you can introduce your brand to your customers. For example, you can type welcome welcome to our site for fitness and workout equipment. Just a simple description like this. You can type whatever you like. This is just an example. Okay. Okay, so in the image also you have to go to the browser or from your library and go here and search on fitness and workout equipment. Okay, go to the image and select here the image you want to put on the cover. Okay, I need just a simple image. Okay, for example, um I'm gonna use this one here. Okay. So after this, you can go back to the design and choose here your favorite layout. And don't forget to change the background color and the title. Okay, don't forget the simple details. Okay, now let's go back and let's move on now to the store section. So here you have to create your own product. So go back to the dashboard and click here, add your products or services. Now as you see, go here, new products. Now here you have to add the product gallery, the name of your products, the REF, the weight on kilogram. Also you can customize here the prices options. Don't forget here the description of your product. So after you're done from here, you can just take a picture of your products and put it here of your products. It depends on your products, for example, equipment of the gym or whatever. So after this, save this place and go back to the editor and complete here the design of the background and the title and the product name, the product image and the product price. Now let's go back, let's move on to the next section, the about section. So as you see here, you can add the subtitle, and here you can use this space to talk about uh, your products and how are they made and what makes them unique and why should your customers buy from you or use your services. Okay, after this, choose your favorite layout. Don't forget also the background. Always you have to change the color of the background. Now let's go back, let's move on to the image. So as you see here, add the tagline. After I add the title and the description, of course you have to go here and change the image. Okay, okay, for example this one. So after this, go to the design and choose your favorite one here. Okay, for example this one, and that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the next section, the customer reviews. So nothing special here. You can use this title here, customer reviews, and you can add the review text, add the author name and the rating, and the design. You can choose your favorite one. Okay, now let's go back, let's move on to delivery information. So nothing special here, the same thing as normal. So you have to change the description and the subtitle and the title. Now let's go back, let's move on to the contact. So the same thing as normal, the description and the title. Of course you have to change this image here, you have to add your business address. Also you can add enter exact postal address or the plus code. You can enter here the daily hours. Okay, um, you can enter the contact information and the social profiles and the design. Choose your favorite one. I rather choose this one here of the map in the background. It's much better than the other ones. Now that's it. The footer section here, you have to enter your company name for the copyright, and that's it. So if you want to add something new, you can just click here add section, and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. Okay, now that's it. If you're done from your designing your website, you can just publish your website. Okay, now you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.